Hey y'all, I really hate doing update videos, honest, but I figured it was time for me to let you know what was going on. It's been a while since I've done an actual project video, other than the short, quick things I did over at the lathe for my camera. But my wrists are healing slowly because I keep aggravating them. I've had to do an awful lot of work on my water well in the last month. Nearly every day in the last 4 weeks I've had to do something, breaking fittings loose and putting in new ones, and that puts a lot of strain on my wrists. So changing pumps, I'm on my third pump now, so I don't know what else to tell you. You know, life goes on, life gets in the way sometimes, but I'm well, I'm okay. My wrists are still messed up a little bit, but I do have a project on the lathe. This bowl, I've got a couple of coats of finish on it. I'm not happy with it. I'm going to start over on that, and I'll finish that up when we get back. Where are we going? We've had a vacation planned to Branson, Missouri for over a year. With everything that's going on, we tried to cancel. We can't, or we cannot go, but then we don't get any of our money back. So we're going to go ahead and mask up and or not during the trip, of course, but we're gonna take precautions as necessary, and we're gonna go up, not go do the things where there's a whole lot of people, but we're going up, and we're gonna probably do a lot of fishing. That'll be relatively secluded, so looking forward to that. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. So we'll be gone for a week, leaving Friday morning, tomorrow morning, bright and early. We'll be back a week Friday evening. So that's it in a nutshell. That's what I've been up to my ears, trying to get the water well so that it'll keep water not only to the house but to the sprinkler system, and that's been the issue. When the sprinklers run, I lose all my water to the house, and that's just not good. But I think we finally got that sorted out early yesterday morning, and things have been running pretty well. So knock wood, you know how it goes. So appreciate you sticking with me, honest, and I'll be back just as quick as I can. Y'all stay safe and have a good one.